and choose feather, and I will put 0.5 pixel feather in here, and I will press OK. Alright, now I will select the model image and I will press Ctrl J, and now I have it in a new layer. I will name it model. Let me delete this one in here. Alright, now I want to make the background of this image bigger so we'll have enough space to create our effect. So I will go and select the crop tool and I will expand it a little bit from here and in here. And I will click on this check mark to commit my change. Alright, now we'll go to adjustments in here and I will choose solid color. I will keep the color white for now and I will press OK. I will take it and put it under the model layer and I will name it BG for background. Alright, now we'll select the model layer and I will desaturate it. So we'll press Ctrl Shift U, or you can go to Image, Adjustment and choose Desaturate. Now I will go and open the second image I will be using. So I will take it and open it in a new tab and I will drag it to the other tab in here. I will name it Mountain and I will change its opacity around 50%. This way I can see where I want to replace it before I will start working on it. Now I know that I want this cloud to be in the other direction. So I will press Ctrl T and then I will right click and choose Flip Horizontal. And now I have the clouds where I want them. Also I want this top of the mountain to be right in the forehead of the model in here. So I will press Shift and drag to make the image bigger. And I will place the image to fit where I want it. And I will one click on this check mark. And I will change the opacity back to 100%. Now I will select the model layer and I will press Ctrl and one click on it to load the selection of the model. Now I will select the mountain layer and then I will one click on this layer mask icon. And as you can see, this will create a silhouette of the model. Alright, now we'll make a copy of this model layer. So I will press Alt and make a copy of it and put it on the top of the mountain layer. And I will change its blending mode to lighten. And we will get a cool effect in here. But I will reduce the opacity of it around 50%. Now I will apply a layer mask on it. So I will go and I will one click on this layer mask icon and I will select the layer mask in here and then I will select the brush tool. And with a 40% in the opacity and the black is my foreground color, I will start the layering in this area. Alright, now we select the mountain layer and I will make sure that I'm on its layer mask and I will start the layering in here to reveal the face of the model. Alright, now we'll select the background layer and I will double click on it and I will sample a color from here and I will press OK. Now I will select the mountain layer and I will press Ctrl J to duplicate it. And then I will take the layer mask and delete it. And I will change its blending mode to lighten. And as you can see, this will create a cool effect with the clouds. But there are still other parts from the image visible. So I will apply a black layer mask on it by holding Alt on my keyboard and one click on this layer mask icon. Now I will select my brushes and with the white as my foreground color, I will start brushing in here to make only this part of the clouds visible. Alright, now we'll select this top layer and I will go to adjustment and choose solid color. And I will pick a soft pink color and I will press OK. I will change the blending mode of it to multiply. And I will set the opacity around 20%. Now I will create a stamp visible layer. So I will press Alt, Ctrl, Shift, E and I will desaturate it. So I will go to Image, Adjustment and choose Desaturate. I will change the blending mode to Soft Light. And I will put down the opacity around 30%. And that's it. So I hope that you enjoyed and liked this tutorial and it was a little bit helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, give it a thumb up and share it. and wait for more tutorial to come. In fact, in the next tutorial, I will show you how I created this other double exposure image that you can see in here. Alright, thank you for watching and have a nice day.